A bookkeeper's job is to keep records of all transactions and to prepare financial statements which are a summary of the records. The accounting job is to analyze a bookkeeper's financial statements and interpret them so that the company will know its true financial condition, the results of its operations, and be able to plan accordingly. Although an accountant must know bookkeeping from A to Z, his true work begins where the bookkeeper's ends. In a small business where one person does all the bookkeeping, the duties include a variety of work in addition to keeping records. The bookkeeper checks all orders and bills for possible errors. He counts the cash receipts. He makes out deposit slips for all money paid into the company and sees that it is put into the bank. Against these funds, he prepares checks, which, when okayed by the proper authority, are used for paying the company's bills and salaries. In some firms, he is responsible for granting credit to customers, so he must find out what each one's credit rating is and keep the information on hand. At the end of the month, bills are sent to all customers, and after balancing the books, the bookkeeper prepares a financial statement so his company will have a clear picture of its condition at that time and the results of its operations for the period. The bookkeeper in a small business may have other duties, but the ones mentioned are a fair sample of a one-man job.